Good morning, grade 2. Hello, everyone. Let's start our math lesson for today, Thursday, 9th of April 2020. Please open your math book, page 547 and 548. Today's math lesson, there is no new concept. We will just review what we take during this week. Let's see first on page 547, the first question. Write the word to complete each sentence. Picture, graph, survey, and key. Let's recall first the meaning of those words. The first one is key. In this bar graph, we use the keys here to tell us what each sample stands for. For example, the pink one stands for iron, the yellow one stands for carbon, and the blue one stands for aluminum. So the keys here tell us what each sample stands for. Okay? The second word is picture graph. As we take before in the picture graph, what do we use to record the data? We use pictures. Okay, so this is a picture graph. The last word is survey. Why do we need to do a survey? To collect data or collect information. Okay, how we do the survey? We ask people the same questions. We have a group of people, we ask them the same question to collect the data. So this is the meaning of the word survey. I will read the questions for you now and you write the correct word on the line. Number 1. In A, you collect data by asking people the same questions. When you do what, you need to collect data. Okay, number 2. A tells what or how many each sample stands for. Number 3. A has different pictures to show information collected. Let's do the second question. Before you answer any questions, grade 2, please read carefully the title of the question, okay? Ask 10 people their favorite color. So how many people you need to make the survey for? 10. Use tally marks to record the data. Now please do this part of the question first. You use here in this tally chart, you use the tally marks to record the data of 10 people. The total of the tally marks or the total of numbers you're gonna write here should be 10. You can pause the video and finish it. The second part of the question is, use the data in the chart to answer the questions. Number 4. What color do people like the most? The key word in this question is the most. Which color has the most number of votes? It's according to your answer here, okay? And you write the name of the color, not the number. Number 5. How many? To answer the question how many, you need to write the number of people who like pink and green. So here you need to add the number of people who like pink and the number of people who like green, and you write the total here. 6. What color do people like the least? According to your answer, which color has the least number of votes? You write the color here. So are you done? Let's move to page 548. Use the tally chart to make a picture graph. You should read the title. You are gonna make a picture graph. You need to draw pictures to represent the data. Let's do it together here. How many tally marks do you have for jump rope? You have 3 tally marks. So you need to draw 3 pictures. For baseball, you have 4 tally marks. Because we are making a picture graph, we need to draw 4 pictures. For inline skating, 2 pictures. And for biking or bike, you have 5 pictures. You can pause the video until you finish drawing, then go back to page 548. Now use the data from the graph to answer the questions. How many more votes did bike get than baseball? Let's see the bike, how many votes for the bike first? 5. And the baseball, how many? 4. So how many votes did the bike get more than the baseball? Here 4 and here 5. So how many? What's the difference? Do you remember what we take in math in term 2? The difference, how we get the difference? Do you remember? We do it by subtraction. So you do 5 minus 4 equals, you write your answer. Sorry. Okay, this is the difference. You subtract. Okay, question number 9. How many people like jump ropes and inline skating? Inline skates. And here you need to add the number of people who like jump ropes, how many? 3. And inline skates, how many? 2. So you add 3 plus 2 equals. Next question, 10. How many more people voted for bike and jump rope all together? Let's do the first part of this question first. How many people voted for bike and jump together? Let's see. For bike, we have how many? 5. And for jump, how many? 8. So, we do 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 equals how many? Yeah, 8. This is the first part of the question. The second part is, then voted for baseball and inline skating. For baseball and inline skating together, how many? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals how many? Yes, 6. Now, you are asked how many people voted for bike and jump more than the ones who voted for baseball and inline skating. Here, the first one is 8 and the second is 6. Those are more than those with how many votes? So here we use the difference. We subtract the two numbers. 8 minus 6 equals, and you write the answer here. Question 11. If 3 more people vote for jump rope and 1 more person votes for baseball, which toy is the favorite? Now let's add 3 more people for jump rope and 1 for baseball. For jump rope, 3. And for baseball, let's add 1. Now, which one is the favorite now? Which one has more votes? Yeah, it's jump rope. So you need to write the answer here, jump rope. The last question. 2 students did not vote. If those 2 students all voted for inline skates, Which toy would have the most vote? Can you think of this question and do it alone, please? If you need any help, you can ask your teacher. Thank you. Goodbye.